Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on app tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to stream Roblox on TikTok. If you want to stream your gameplay of Roblox on your TikTok account, then let me show you the process of doing it. For this, we're going to need a TikTok streamer, which is called lula.tv. You can open up this website and click on Let's Get Started, and you'll need to sign up for Lula.tv. Once you're here, make sure you turn on your camera and your microphone. Click on the lock that you see on the top, and you can toggle these options on. Now you'll need to connect to TikTok. Click on the TikTok option that you see on the left panel, and then sign into your TikTok. Now once you have logged into your TikTok, click on the RTM that you see on the top. You'll need to copy this code into OBS Studios. If you don't yet know about OBS Studios allows you to stream on various platforms. You can easily find this application and download it from the website of OBS Studios. Once you open it, click on Settings and click on the Stream option. By default, there are a few options that you can already choose from, but for now we're going to choose on Custom, and we're going to paste in the server, RTMP server. Copy this link and paste it in, and again copy in the stream key and paste it in again. Once that is done, you need to manage a few other settings. Click on the output option, and you need to manage your streaming, so make sure you keep the bitrate high for better quality, and click on apply on the bottom right. Click on OK. Now once you connected your Lula TV to your OBS stream, now you're ready to stream Roblox on your computer, and your stream will be displayed on your TikTok live. Now all you need to do is click on the go live option that you see on the top right, and your live will start on TikTok. So that was the video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.